Suhas, and I'm here for the Trader Within seminar, and I have been for many seminars, workshops, but this is the first kind of session that which is very helpful for you to learn strategies and your mindset on trading. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Aarya, for this beautiful session.
जितेंद्र पाटील गेल्या 3-4 वर्षापासून इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग करतोय आणि अप्स अँड डाऊन्स जिथं मला कुठला पण कमी पडतोय सायकोलॉजिकली त्या सगळ्या इथं मला शिकायला मिळतंय.
ट्रेडिंग में साइकोलॉजी की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. ऐसा कोई ट्रेडर नहीं जो विदाउट साइकोलॉजी के ट्रेड कर सकता है. यही बात सोच के मैं इस सेमिनार में आया और सच में यहाँ पे ऐसा लगा कि बाकी कुछ फ़ायदा है.
Hi, my name is Init. A Trader Within You is a very great session so far which I've attended. It not only talks about how you can have an effective skills with regards to trading, but it also talks about your mindset. I think which is a very important and vital factor because mindset plays a very bigger role when you do any kind of trading, and you can relate not only to trading but with regards to other aspects of roles, jobs, what you do on your day-to-day basis.